How to disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. So without delaying any further, let's get started. First, you need to go to services from your Windows. Typing services from Cortana will search and show up this tool. From here, there are a list of programs that are currently running in your system. Find the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service and right-click on it, then close Properties. Then, under General tab, find the Startup type, then choose Disable. After that, hit Apply to save it. You need to do the same step for Adobe Genuine Monitor Service. To check if the program is no longer running from your system, try restarting your computer or laptop. The program should no longer listed under the processes. So in this very simple step, you could disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.